Today we are at task number 13, which is the 6th vulnerable issue in the OWASP top 10 from 2021. We are inside the complete beginner path and let's go. Vulnerable and outdated components. Occasionally you may find that the company entity your pen testing is using a program with a well-known vulnerability. For example, let's say that the company hasn't updated their version of WordPress for a few years, and using a tool such as WP Scan, WordPress Scan, you find that it's version 4.6. Some quick research will reveal that WordPress 4.6 is vulnerable to an authenticated remote code execution, RCE, exploit, and even better, you can find an exploit already made on ExploitDB. As you can see, this would be quite devastating because it requires very little work on the attacker's part. Since the vulnerability is already known, someone else has likely made an exploit for the vulnerability already. The situation worsens when you realize that it's really easy for this to happen. If a company misses a single update for a program they use, it could be vulnerable for any number of attacks. Yeah, so basically it goes without, it's self-explanatory. Right? WP Scan, it's detecting vulnerabilities affecting WordPress, right? Basically, it's a scanner that will check out vulnerabilities from the plugins maybe that you use or the version of WordPress that you use, whatever. Yeah, so answer the questions below, read about the vulnerabilities. Awesome.